This is how to return your stuff. So you go to Amazon.com, make sure you're logged in. I'll say your name up here. You go to your orders. You scroll down to the order you want to return. Let's say it's this one. You click return or replace item. If you have multiple things in the order, you select the one you want to return or replace. Then here you pick Cam તમે return કરો છો. I usually just pick this or this because તમે કદાચ mistake કહો તો એ ટકા પૈસા નથી પાછા આપતા. એટલે just select that. You don't have to put anything here unless it says required. So then you just say not working or whatever. Ignore that. Okay, then you go continue. The most important thing is you want a refund, continue, and then now you have to pick how. So you click more options and you can pick UPS drop-off point. And if you pick this, you do not have to pick a store. You can drop it off at any UPS location. And when you say confirm, you don't have to print anything. It comes up with the label and the drop-off package. Okay, so you click print label and the label's here. I hope this helps.